Hey everyone, Farm Girl here. I'm going to show you the coolest way to peel an egg in 1 second.
1 second?
Yes, 1 second.
Wow.
Guess how?
Oh.
Eh?
Ow.
Think that'll work?
I think so. Where's your egg, Farm Girl?
See it? Right there.
Ah.
I got my ears, so I can't hear anything. I got my eyes. Hopefully I'll be able to see. Alright. Ready? Count me down. 1.
That's pretty amazing.
Wow. Awesome.
Wow.
Peeled and ready for egg salad.
I think this is going to the hog right here. One for the pigs. Good job.
Just kidding. We're going to show you a really cool way to peel eggs.
Oh,
yeah.
We are?
Seriously.
Okay.
We're going to be serious now.
Let's get to it.
Hey everyone, Farm Girl here. I'm about to show you the coolest thing. It's going to save so much time for you, going to help you to not become extremely frustrated when you have to peel eggs. You can make egg salad so quickly. We just boiled these eggs. They're still a little bit warm. It doesn't really matter if they're warm, cold. We've tried it with hot eggs, cold eggs, warm water, cool water. It works every time. It's awesome. And Farmer actually showed me this trick, and you can see it on his Exoman channel if you go there, and he does it real quick. But I'm going to show you, we're going to do one, so you can see it in the clear jar. You can use any size jar you want. This one's kind of big, but we're going to do that, and then I'm going to do several eggs, all within the same amount of time. It's amazing. So now I'm just going to show you how to do one. Put a little bit of water in, not even half full. Take your egg, plop it in there. Make sure your top's on tight. Ready? It's coming off. Done. Pour a little bit of that water out of there. Check it out. So cool. No more peeling and being annoyed. Cute. So now I'm going to speed things up a bit and do 3 eggs at once. And I'm going to put them in there first and just put a little bit of water. Maybe, it probably doesn't even matter how much you put in, but I'm going to put in just so the tops are covered. Well, peeking out. Alright. Ready? How long do you think it's going to take? They're already peeling. Done. How long was that? About 2 minutes?
Very
Alright, so I got 2 out of 3, but this one...
Did you say 2 minutes?
No. Did I say 2 minutes? But this one, all you have to do is squeeze it, and it comes right off.
Wow.
Look at that. Ah! No more painstakingly peeling the little tiny pieces that break off and get under your fingernails and hurt. I'm very jazzed about this.
And no more losing the meat of the egg.
Exactly.
Wow, that's amazing fun.
Perfect. Good job thinking of this. Yay. Now what?
Too bad this took you almost 50 years to learn, huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Could have saved so much much time, but oh well. Better late than never.
Yeah. Ah, the signature firm grill flex.
So you can use any size container you want. The bigger the container, the more eggs you can put in it. If I had a little bit bigger container, I could have done 5 or 6 eggs at once. But the main thing is getting them to hit each other and the water to get underneath the membrane and just peel right off. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.